Cherry bomb. Wait, give it the It's so fucking loud. What the fuck? The tire was What's up, Sergio?
What's up, bro?
Beautiful day here in Cali, everybody. So we were at the parts store buying some sensor for the van, and we saw they had a little special on the cherry bomb, and we just couldn't say no. You know, this thing's a little too quiet, so you know we're like, fuck it, we'll throw a cherry bomb on there. We got the little flange and everything, so just gonna install it, see how loud it is. Why not? Nah, I think yeah. It came with a sticker, everybody, so just want to let every cop here in California know that we're running the cherry bomb.
14 it is, buddy.
Fuck it. Let's see.
Now, where the fuck are my guns? What the fuck?
Good question. Okay. Let me see. Make sure it's not.
Don't tell my left in the fucking.
The one. Probably did. Bam. Cherry bomb. Now everybody knows. Look at that thing. It's the small ass one too. Oh shit.
That's not it. Pásame la otra perca.
Here.
Déjalo pongo primero con la mano.
Let's see. Well, it looks like that's pretty tight in there. Fuck it. Let's start it up. Yeah, you're good. This is it, everybody. Let's see how it sounds. Oh, that sounds so much better.
I know.
Wow. Wait, like work the throttle like slowly all the way. Oh shit. Fuck it. Okay.
Sounds modified.
It sounds so sick, dude. All right, everybody, cherry bomb. You want to piss off your neighbors? Cherry bomb it is. We just set off an alarm. What the fuck, dude? What? All right, okay. It's not, you know, like right now. Oh shit! Right now, it's not that bad. It's not that bad.
I thought it was gonna be louder.
Yeah, it's just once you get on that rev limiter, like if you're just parked and revving it up, it's fucking loud.
That's when you're burning your spot plugs.
Yeah, but like right now, it's not that bad. I fucking like it.
Fucking try to lunch it.
I mean, shit. Fuck it. We're in SJ. Do a fat ass burnout. do it, Bernie, do it. Oh shit, dude. Yeah, this thing is sick, dude. It sounds so much better.
Se colió la güey.
I know, it's a little wet. That's why. So it looks like the cherry bomb is actually more quiet on the freeway. But that's considering we're still running a cat on the truck. There's still a cat on it, so yeah, it still has a catalyzer, so it could be that's why it's a little quieter on the freeway. But if you're just parked and you're revving it up, that thing is loud. But that's it. Just a little quick video on cherry bomb on the S10. I hope anybody was wondering if they want to put a cherry bomb on their S10. Now they know how it kind of sounds. So good luck, everybody.